This is called a basin wrench. I'll show you how to use it. With this, yeah, basically, here's what we just took out of there. And this right here, you know, to tighten it, I would go to the right. So if we're looking from underneath the thing, this would be tightening. Loosening would be this way, right? So you've got to get your basin wrench on there properly. So to loosen it, what I had to do is I had to come in and I had to get this all the way around it, like this, right? And then what I would do, see if you guys can see it, is I would turn it counterclockwise. You see that? So when you do, and then when I switch it, move it, watch, it's moving this way, I can keep going as long as the top doesn't twist. And that's how I got it off. And I'm gonna bring this down a little bit so you guys can see it. So, you know, depending how big your sink is, depends on how much you must extend this, right? But let's just do it like this so you guys can see. So to loosen it, I get on it like that and I turn it this way. To tighten it, I would pull this off, flip this around, come on it like this, right? And then I'm gonna go to the right. I'm gonna turn it to the right to tighten it. You follow me? And that's how it works. Anyway, that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you use this.